Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Hola mi gente, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to be making Cuban coffee. I've had several videos on how to make it, but this is just an updated video. So you're going to need a mocha pot or a cafetera in Spanish. You're going to fill it up to the indicator. And I think I have a 4-cup capacity. I'm talking about the espresso cups, which are about 2 ounces. You want to fill your coffee reservoir with any kind of Spanish coffee, and my favorite brand is Bacalao. You can use Bustelo, Pilon, whichever they have in the market. You want to fill it to the top and pat it down. Then you're going to put the top of the mocha pot back on, then screw it on, and put it on the flame. You're going to open up the top of the cafetera or mocha pot so that you can see when the first few drops of coffee comes out. Be really careful with the handle because it's plastic and it will burn. So while we're waiting for the coffee to come up, we're going to make our crema. I'm using 3 teaspoons of sugar. The type of sugar that you use is really important because if you use sugar substitutes like Trivia or Equal or any of those, you won't be able to make the crema. So when the first few drops of coffee comes up, you want to use that, add it into the sugar to create a paste. And that's called the crema. So when you're stirring the sugar and the coffee together, you want to stir it really, really fast until you get a thick paste like peanut butter. Once you get that consistency, then you can add the coffee to it and enjoy it. Making Cuban coffee takes practice, a lot of practice. And I get emails sometimes from people and they ask me, how do you make it? I'm having trouble. It's either too dry or too wet. Those are the 2 problems. If it's too dry, you can fix it by adding a little more coffee to it, and you should be fine. But sometimes people add too much, so you can fix it by adding a little more sugar. But there's always a way to fix it, so don't give up hope, people. So the art of making Cuban coffee starts at a very young age. In the Cuban family, there's a saying that goes, "Se puede hacer café, puede casarte." If you know how to make coffee, then you're ready to get married. Okay, so let's check on our coffee. And it takes about 10 minutes for the whole process to complete. I'm speeding up this video just so you guys don't have to be tortured watching it come through for 10 minutes. And you want to make sure that you close the lid because it will splatter all over the place and burn you. But I'm just leaving it open for demonstration purposes. Next, we're going to move on to making our crema or Azuquita in Spanish. This is going to make that frothy foam that's classic to Cuban coffee. So you're going to add the coffee into the sugar. And as you can see, the foam is already starting because the coffee is melting the sugar. So now I'm stirring this so that I can mix up all the sugar. Making Cuban coffee takes a lot of practice. I've been doing this for so long that I can do this with my eyes closed. But anyway, if you want to drink Cuban coffee, a Cuban espresso, then this is the way you make it. Now for the moment that I've been waiting for. Ay, qué rico. There's nothing like Cafe Cubano. Well, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and follow us on Facebook at my Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.